Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Monia and you are watching Ride or Die with Monia. That's it, you got it. Today I am dedicating this video specifically to Merit. It is a beauty brand that I've seen on Sephora, and I've been eyeing their products honestly, because they are so well known for clean, effective, safe products, but they're also really good for the environment. And my fucking favorite, they're minimalist, baby. Like, let's get it. Like, if you don't know me, but you should know me because you watch me, you know I am like a minimalist and I'm a freak with like how far I take it. Like, for real. I'm not joking. So I'm super excited to do this video. I have 4 items that I am going to be reviewing, as you can tell. Yes, a little bit more about Merit again. So they're very clean, effective products. They're not just like clean, like Sephora clean. Like, they take that to the next motherfucking level. All right. They are like taking into consideration like what Europe takes into consideration when they go through their approval processes, and screen out chemicals and ingredients that are actually not approved by them, their countries and their government, and the mindset they have of just being like clean, eco-friendly, safe for not only humans, like when they apply the products, but for the planet itself. Like, that's such a beautiful mindset to have when creating a beauty brand, and I don't think I've ever come across another one like that. So we are here for it, baby. Ow. Okay, so I've gotten 4 products from them, and in the link below, you will see that I have an affiliate link. So if you are interested in buying any of their stuff, go ahead, click on the link below in the bio, and it will direct you to their website, and, you know, throw down. Because I told you so, because I don't lie, boo. Okay, so here is what I got in the package. It's like this little bag. It was tied up like this, so that's cute. The 4 things that I wanted to review is, they don't really have like a concealer bronzer, but they have these like foundation, they call them foundation sticks. They have these like sticks that are foundation sticks, and I was like, yo, I want a concealer and I want a bronzer, so I can just use that because I don't do foundation. I just put on concealer and my brows for this, like right here, right now. But so since they were out of the concealer, I asked for a bronzer, so we're gonna go ahead and use that to bronze up, warm up the face. I have blush, highlighter, and then a little lip oil. Are we gonna do a shoulder shimmy? Oh, so cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. They did send me these products to review them. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead, and I need to warm up my face, guys. Like, we just need to do it right here, right now, okay? So I'm gonna use their Merit, the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. Then we also have the Flush Balm Cheek Color in the shade Beverly Hills, because I wanna be a rich bitch, okay? This is what it looks like, cute. Then we have the motherfucking highlighter, because guess what? I love a good glow. I need to be glowing at all points, okay? And I'm obsessed. And I know I've tried like, oh my God, this is why I got this one. So I got the highlighter in the color Cava. Why? Because I love Cava. Like, if you've never had Cava in your life, you're missing out. Then the last thing that I got is the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in the color Marrakech. Let's see. And this is, oh, that is so cute. I like that color. Okay. We have to get into it. Okay. So the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Foundation and Concealer Stick retails for $38. Then we have the Cheek Flush Balm, which is $28. We have the highlighter, which is $30. And then we have the lip oil, which is $24. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I've put on concealer, I have my brows, I put on my primer. That's all done. So really what I'm here for is this. Look at that bronzer. So let's see. Oh, that is creamy. That's creamy. It's pigmented. It's like creamy, but not too creamy. It's very easy to work with. Like you can see, look at that. It like already blended out with my finger. Okay, guys, I love that. So you might not even need a brush for this stuff. Gucci, Gucci, goo. Okay, I think that's enough. And look at, I barely put a dent in it. Like that is impressive. I love the packaging too. It's precious. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and, oh shit, blend it out with my finger. That, like, you can already look at that difference, like how warm. I put way too much product, guys. Like a little bit really goes a long way, so like don't be greedy like me. I also love how you can just do this. Oh. Excuse you? So inappropriate. And it's not that time. Okay, so you can already see that blended out so beautifully. Like I can't even handle it. And I love how this basically like contoured and bronzed me all in one step. So with this, a little bit goes a long way. I put way too much on my cheeks, like you can tell. So I'm trying to like ease it out, but I mean, it looks so beautiful, so natural, so effortless, even applying it. Like I literally used my fingers and I was like, ah. So I am liking this foundation stick. Okay, then we're gonna go in with this blush. I'm gonna put this on my hand first because I don't want to be bamboozled with the pigment, okay? Ooh, that is so creamy. Wait, okay, before I jump into this, I wanted to put some of this in my eye, almost like an eyeshadow. Let's see, just to give me some depth. I want to put this in my eye to give me like some depth. So let's see how this looks. I'm like scared to put too much, guys. And also like using bronzer. I don't know if you guys have ever done this before. I like using bronzer as my eyeshadow because it gives it more of a monochromatic look. And I feel like it just makes everything look way more put together with like the least amount of effort. Okay, so even with the brush, this was like super easy. Did you see that? Like that took me like 15 seconds. Like that's stupid. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, so now I want to see if I can like darken this color a little more. Bitch, look at that. Oh my God. I'm seriously obsessed. This is beautiful. So anyways, so here's the blush. We were jumping into that and then I got distracted. Definitely more sheer light coverage, but it has the same feeling as the foundation. Like it just feels so soft, smooth, creamy, effortless. I'm not really a big blush person. I feel like sometimes it's just too much. So we're gonna see. I'm not rubbing it in. I'm really just dabbing it in. And we're just gonna go in with the fingers again. They're clean this time. Bitch. Why is this so easy to use? Okay, I love the blush. It gave me like that perfect touch of color, like I have flush cheeks. So I love that. Okay, next is their highlighter. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay. Ooh, that is gonna be a cute little glow moment. Okay, again, creamy. The highlighter is definitely very, very shimmer-y and glowy, not glitter-y. Okay, ladies, let's get into formation. Look at that. Oh my God. This is fucking wild. Okay. Last thing, lip oil. Let's go ahead, see what this looks like. Oh, I was not expecting it to be that pigmented, but in like the best way possible. That glow, that gloss, baby. Look at that. Okay, here we go. Look at that color. It just immediately brought my lips to life. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna add a little bit of setting powder underneath the eyes, put some mascara on, and I'll be right back, cuties. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The one thing I always get nervous about is using these types of products, like cream products, over makeup that's been set. And really with highlighter, that's why I usually go for like a powder highlighter. But since these are cream, I really do want to see how they layer on top of powder. Now I did set my face and you can still see that the color of the blush and the highlighter shines through, but I'm just gonna start shit to start shit. There's no way, guys. This shit's like, honestly, this is like too good to be true. I'm like, all right, let's see if this will mess it up. Why have I not known about these products before? Oh my God. This literally is incredible. Like, I can't even handle this right now. Okay, so what do I think about all 4 of these products? So let's go jump into the cream products first. I genuinely believe that all 3 of these products have the same base foundation ingredients, which is why they all feel the same in regards to texture. They're creamy, they're smooth, buttery, very easy to blend, super hydrating. It almost has like an oil base to it. Obsessed with that. But that's not going to make a difference in regards to what product you use. So something like this foundation, it gives you medium coverage. If you add more to it, you will get your medium to full. If you want something a little bit sheer, just add less. It's very, very pigmented. Obsessed with that. Because I either go for days where I'm gonna be out taking pictures, I'm going to an event, I'm going out at night, so obviously I want a little bit heavier makeup. I love that I can do that, but typically like as my go-to in the day, I like to slap a little bit on just to give me like a little color to my skin, a little zhuzh that I got some sleep. So that is a beautiful product. The blush, I'm obsessed with the blush because it's like light coverage, sheer light. The more you add, again, the more color you will get to it, but like the texture is like impeccable. Obsessed. Highlighter, I'm obsessed with this highlighter because not only is it a beautiful glow, it gives you that dewy look. It doesn't give you the glittery shit, which I cannot stand. It drives me nuts. So I'm obsessed that this is so beautiful and blends right into the skin. It makes it look healthy, dewy, hydrated. Lastly, this oil, I don't know if it's me, but I feel like my lips are looking juicier by the moment. I don't think this is a lip plumping oil at all because it looks so oily and hydrated. My lips are looking fat as I love it. It's so cute. And I just want to like add a little bit to my collarbone. Like, let's just like, look at that. It just like, it blends into your skin. Like, it's almost like a universal highlighter color. Like, it's like, we love it all. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Like, my skin looks like I've drank 10 tons of water and I'm not parched at all. It's so stunning and beautiful. Like, I really cannot handle this right now. So my first impressions on this brand and these 4 products are like, you get what you pay for. Like, there is quality, not only in the sense of like it's high performing and it gives you exactly what you need, but it's also quality in the sense of you are taking care of your skin. These are all beneficial to your skin. They have skin infused ingredients that will help you feel hydrated. I'm really upset with myself that I haven't jumped on this sooner, but I do know they're a fairly new brand. So if you are looking to make that transition and you're like, $40 for Armani Code foundation or $40 for Merit's foundation stick, Merit, baby. Like, you get what you pay for, and in the long run, you're taking care of your skin and you're doing something for our planet. Like, come on, minimalist here that wants to save the world. I am your girl. So please check out these products, like especially these 4 that I've tried. I can vouch and say that I'm obsessed. It's my first impression and I'm like, I need more, baby, especially this oil, dude. Tell me my lips don't look fucking juicy. Okay, just tell me that they don't. Because if you say that, unsubscribe. Like, I don't want to hear it because we all can see it. Like, my skin just looks so good. And I didn't even put setting spray on it to make it look dewy and glowy, baby. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, say hi, and then don't forget to check out my code below if you are looking to get any of Merit makeup products. Check out the link that I have below. It's an affiliate link, so I would love for you to support me and support this brand. And then if you have any questions or comments, concerns, leave a comment and I will get back to you, baby. Thank you for watching my channel, this video, and until the next one. Bye, guys. Ah. All right, see if you can get this song. Holding me close, baby, you're holding me close. I just want you to do as it was. Well, you know it's not the same as it was, as it was, as it was.